Hey, good evening everybody. So I was working on one of my module and I thought I would just share a little with you. So what I'm doing here, I'm solving some business questions using EDA. Let's just go through the business questions. So this is a housing data of Melbourne and I'm solving the first question, which is which what region is the most expensive in Melbourne? So let's just go and check. So what I have done, I'm going to create a bar chart which has an aggregation of mean of their price range. So the higher the mean of the price range, that means the higher there is a higher selling price in that particular region, right? So this is what you can see. This is the basic code, and I have also sorted this in this manner, so it gives us a very easy to identify that Southern Metropolitan is having the highest minimum mean price. So the next question is, are older house worth more or less houses? So yeah, it is very obvious that the older house are less worth, like they are tend to be less expensive. But let's just look at the data. So what I have done is I have plotted a scatter plot, and we can see there is outlier. So what we can do, we can just remove first this outlier using pandas operations. I'm using a boolean of all those outlier which are below 1800 can be treated as outliers, and I'm then again plotting my data. So you can see in the recent year built, so this is on my x-axis, I have my year built, on my y-axis I have my price. So this is a very concentrated area because this is scatter plot, right? So you can see there is a high correlation, high relation between price and year built, which is in the recent year. One of more way I would like to have a one more view. How can I express this thing to you? So what we can do, we do have year built and we do have date sold. If we can fetch and extract year from the date sold and can have something age, right? So then we can tell, uh, like we can have another plot between the age and the price. Let's just do this, and this is the scatter plot which I am having between age. What is age here? Age is the date of house sold, subtract their year built date. We do have one more. This is the correlation plot where I'm trying to identify which features are highly correlated with my target variable, which is price in this case. So yeah, you can see this is having a negative correlation, which is distance, and this is having the highest correlation, which is building area. And other, I would say a little, the bathroom is having 0.43 correlation. Okay, I will be sharing this in case if you want it, just for my uh, like my learnings, and if you want I can share this Google Collab with you. All right, thank you.